disconnect the ego.
We are not isolated islands. We are the entire ocean in a single drop.
Listen to the collective frequency.
You think that you're standing completely alone, an isolated traveler out on your own. But look at the matrix, the web that we weave. The air that you breathe is the air that I leave. Anatta,
The illusion of me and of mine,
we dissolve the borders
to let the light shine.
like ripples that meet on the face of a lake.
We are bound to each other
In every mistake,
This is tingling nirvana, the quantum connection. Looking inside at a cosmic reflection. We are spreading the Dharma across every sea, sound wave by sound wave, to set the mind free. Feel the vibration, the oneness of all, an ancient philosophy, answering the call.
The stars in the night, we are interconnected, a fabric of light. No separate ego, no wall in between, just one living energy, vibrant and clean. The Buddha revealed it beneath the great tree, the ultimate truth that will make the West see. We are the rhythm, the pulse and the beat, where ancient and future finally meet.
No borders, no separate self,
just into being.
Lose yourself to find yourself. This is tingling nirvana, the quantum connection. Looking inside at a cosmic reflection. We are spreading the Dharma across every sea.